Hello, everybody. My name is Frank, and today we're going to talk about how to protect a document. This will be the part two of the protect your document part. So we earlier talked about how to protect the entire document. So then that way we make sure that there's no part of the document that can be edited. Now today we're going to learn how to share forms where probably we want the people to be able to fill out certain parts of the document but not the entire document. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into Word, so then that way we can get it started. Again, our goal is to try to keep these videos on or less than 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it really quick so we can start working with it. As you can see there, I'm gonna just start with a new one. So let me go ahead and work maybe with a blank document. So perfect, this is a blank document, and what are we gonna do here? It's basically we're gonna maybe create a simple form. Let's say we're gonna get some feedback. So the first thing we want to see there, of course, we want to probably get the title going, and then we want to ask for first name or the simple contact information. And then there are different ways to get this done. Now I'm just gonna do it with simple, so I'm not gonna add a table, but definitely, as you saw earlier, there are ways to just get a table here. So I'm gonna get the full name. I'm gonna get the email. And I'm gonna get also comments. Perfect. So this is it, guys. There are ways. I mean, we can when it comes to protect partially a document, then we can also control who can edit what. So for a lot of people, a lot of you who maybe work on a doctor's office, then we have seen that there is a part where it says, please do not write below this line. So we can set up a document um, to be distributed digitally, and then prevent them from editing that part. So then that part will be only the people inside the company. So there are different ways. Today I'm not gonna be talking about how to do all that. Although if you're looking to learn how to do that, we're gonna be hosting an event. It'll be this June 13th, and that event we're gonna be talking about Word, all about Word. It's gonna be a 4 hours event that you can't miss at all, right? But today, I'm just gonna keep it simple here. So let's give some format to it really quick. Um, Comment here, email here. I'm just gonna add here this, so then full name here. Perfect. Now let's get this started. So we're gonna work with some headings here. So we want to give this a title. You can do it manually, but definitely one of the things that we want to make sure you learn is how to work smarter and not harder. So Nothing bad against working hard, but you want to be smart when you're working. So perfect. Now I have already this ready to go, but I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna go back to how to get that. Okay, so how can I go ahead and do it? So I'm gonna go to review over here. Then on review, we're going to where it says protect right here. We're gonna restrict editing. Okay, so once we hit restrict editing, we are going to go here, and I'm not gonna change anything here now. We want to make sure that the name where it says full name, that can be changed. Okay, and then using the control key, if you want to select multiple things at a time, using the control key, you just go ahead and select. In this case, I'm gonna just do it one at a time because it's just. So this can be edited by everyone. Okay. Now let's go to the email here. It says email here, and I'm gonna select that too, and that can also be changed by everyone. And last but not least, we want the people to be able to comment here. So gonna go to comment here, and we're gonna select this, and we're gonna go here, and we want everyone to be able to edit that. Like I said in here, you can see there's more users, so I can determine when it comes to user, and this is good if we're working on a company-wide level where we want people to be able to just change certain parts but not all, then we can select what we want them to be able to work on. So that where it says more users, then you can determine, okay, who can fill out this part and who cannot. Okay, so far I'm gonna just keep it simple, so I'm gonna just allow anybody to just fill out that part. Now the one thing we want to do is we got it already set up to get it to protect. Now we're gonna hit yes, start enforcing protection, and in my case I'm gonna just use the 1, 2, 3, 4 as the passcode here. Definitely is not a code I will use on a document, but this is a demo. So in the demo, I'm just gonna use a simple one. So then I can hit OK, and that's it, guys. So as you can see here, whatever is in yellow can be edited, but whatever is not in yellow, it cannot be touched. So let's say if I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna try to delete this. I'm hitting delete, and it's not doing anything. I can even put a space and try to write something. There's nothing going on there. So now, like I said, this is a form. So in here, let's go to this right here, and then we agreed that we wanted to be able to change here, put the name. So let's say that the person who's going to fill out this form is called John Doe. So there we go, John Doe. So John Doe is starting to do his thing here. So, and then in here, we're gonna go with John Doe at email.com. And in the comment, gonna just type in there. So you can see I'm not able to select anything beyond whatever is in yellow. So, but in here we're gonna go ahead and type in whatever comment. So this was a great video. Thank you, John. Just make sure you subscribe to the video. If you're watching on YouTube, just go ahead and hit subscribe and hit on the bell, so then that way you get notified whenever there's a new video coming up. And if you guys like it enough, just go ahead and like the video, share the video, and all that. So thank you, Yundo. I mean, again, this is a demo, but this was a great video. Keep it going. And boom. So I type in keep it going instead of keep it going. Let me change that. It's easier just to right click on the word and allow Word to do its magic. But anyway, as you can see, that right there is a form where you can edit parts of the form but not everything. So you can't change the title, you can't change the headers, you can't change the labels for each field, but you can type into it. So this is a way for you guys to keep the integrity of your documents intact while at the same time being able to share it with other people and letting them just do whatever they need to do there. So this was an example with a form. Again, if I were going to use a different one, then I can definitely add, like, just go to, let's talk about this in an academic perspective. So there's a form that have to go to the success coach. Then from the success coach, it has to go to the dean, and then maybe the president. So probably there are parts that you want them to be filled out by the dean, and then there's some others you want them to be filled out by the president only. So you can do that. I'm gonna go back so we can see where to do it. If I hit stop, I'm gonna use up this right here. Okay, there it is. So in here, more users. So I will have to hit the more users and look up for the people I need to be able to do it. So this is more on an enterprise level or company level, where we have a business that they have their license for Microsoft Office and they work in collaboration. So this is where we can get it going. We can make it work. All right. So yeah, I guess this will be it. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely, like I said, thumbs up and share it with anybody you guys know and think that could benefit from this videos. Also, if you guys are looking to be able to get in touch with us, you can feel free to do so. Just that's our website, www.mwprdev.com. Phone number is 817-MWPRDEV. That will be 697-7338. And of course, you can email us at admin@mwprdev.com. You can go to our events tab on Facebook. We have that event, and right now we have a 20% off that is going to be going for a limited time. So you can't miss that. So it's 20% off. It's going to be a huge event. It's going to be live Q&A, So you guys ask a question there. We're going to be able to answer the question at the moment, and not just answer the question at the moment, but also be able to show or demo whatever you like us to show there, just to answer the question in the proper way. So like I said, there's a 20% off on that, so you can't miss that, not at all. There's no way you can't miss that event. So yeah, this will be it. Feel free to reach out to us if you have if you want to learn anything else that we're not covering or we have not covered yet. Feel free to request it. Just put it there on the comments. Just send us a direct message, and or you can send us also an email to admin@mwprdev.com, and we're more than happy to help out by just bringing all these tools. So yeah, again, all these videos are short videos just to learn how to do it. If you're looking for something more personal, just feel free to reach out to us and we can schedule a session specific for your group. So that's something we can do as well. It's just a matter of reaching out to us and we make it happen, right? So that'll be all for now, folks. Have a good one. Bye.